Wholesale real estate is a scam and wholesale real estate doesn't work. You lying piece of TikTok trash.
This country, you gotta make the money. Then when you get the money, you get the power. Then when you get the power, then you get the money.
Welcome to Ortega's World. I hope you guys are having a good day. And today, it's me versus the wholesale industry. I'm here to expose you lying piece of TikTok trash. These people have finessed the viewers and the audience, brainwashed you guys into thinking that wholesaling real estate is easy. But I'm here to break it down for you guys in layman's terms so you guys can understand why I say wholesale real estate is a scam and wholesale real estate doesn't work, and why you shouldn't even waste your time. So what is wholesale real estate? You find a house, you offer the owner a certain price point, way lower than what it's worth. You find an investor, you sell it to the investor, and you get the middle part of the investment. Example, you find a house for 100K under contract, you put it under contract, you find an investor that will buy it for 110K. Guess who keeps the 10K? You. So easy, right?
Make a free 10K, 20K, 30K.
All day, all you're doing is cold calling, sending things through mail, online ads, all day, driving for dollars. Every month, while you're not getting a lead, you're investing into this business. I thought you didn't need any money. So how are you gonna get leads without money? How are you gonna find this information without money? One of the reasons this doesn't work is because of fucking TikTok. Social media fucked up wholesaling. In the past, it was great, but as soon as social media grabs onto anything, bro, it fries it for everybody. Social media promoted wholesaling real estate so much that doing it now isn't even worth it. Everybody wholesale real estates. Now, there is a lot of things coming up now, you know, because social media has promoted it so much, so many people are doing it, that certain states are having new rules and new regulation towards wholesalers. You know, there's a lot of people who like to lock up houses with fake contracts because they're new. They don't really know how a contract works. You know, wholesale real estate isn't as easy as people think. Deals fall apart all the time. It's just not as easy, and it takes a lot of money. Buyers back out, inspections fail, so many things you're not even thinking about that happen on the daily. Now, I'm not saying wholesale real estate is impossible. Some people actually do it. Can also swim underwater for 3 minutes, but that's not you. And the sooner you realize it, the sooner you realize you're wasting your time, bro. This game is not for you. Wholesale real estate is dead. And once you realize that, things will be much better. Wholesaling isn't fake. People do make money with it, but it's not a shortcut into real estate. It is not a shortcut into real estate. It's really a lead generation and sales business. So if you want to get into wholesale real estate, look at this video, weigh out your odds, weigh out your time, because remember, everything you're doing is time, is taking your time. So if your time is not equaling, if the math isn't mathing, hey bro, abort bro. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for joining me. Ortega's World out.
I'm just trying to make you fucking rich. Already rich.
I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time.
Will you be wanting the back poster?
Middle of the day, Alfred? Not very subtle.
The Lamborghini then?
Yo!
Much more subtle.
Too much smoking coming like Canada. Nog smoke hard in de doen. Ze worden van klapperen, lachen en stammen. I'm whipping and smarten. Als ze niet hebben, ik kan er gewoon volgen, dat kan het.